So in this video, what we'll do is we will create a connection between our Python script and Binance. We do that with an API. Binance has a very good API. So if you don't have a Binance account, there is a link in the description where you can register. Otherwise, if you already have it, then you can go to your profile here, and under your profile you have a link to API management. In here it's where you will be able to create API keys. So with an API key, basically it's a key and a secret. These are two of the ingredients you need to connect to Binance. So let's create the API key. First of all, we need to give it a name, my API key. All right. We'll ask you for some codes. Let me quickly do it. All right, and here we go. So now we have an API key and an API secret that we can put in our script to authenticate ourselves. One more thing that you need to do, very important, is to edit the restrictions and to enable spot and margin trading. This will allow this API key to trade, otherwise you will not be able to trade. So activate this, save it. It's only available for 90 days, this spot and margin trading. Authenticator code again. So it's only available for 90 days and then you have to re-enable it, sort of security from Binance. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to our workspace. So in our workspace, what we can do is in the apps tab, we can create a new folder. Let's call it trading bot. So everything that is that will make up our trading bot will be in this folder. So let's create in here then another file that we're going to create, that we're going to name tradingbot.py. This way we make it a Python file, and we can then open it in VS Code. If you open the correct folder, you will be able to see your file in here. So in here what we'll do is we will put some variable names, Binance API key, and Binance API secret. So these you should never share with anyone, you should never show to anyone. This is how you can authenticate. So if you share this one, somebody can connect to your account and can basically do anything you want. It's your password, so you need to really keep them in a very secure place. So let me copy them in here, and the secret key, it's in here. So with that out of the way, now we have what we need to connect to Binance. In the next video, I will show you how to make some calls to the Binance API. So yeah, see you in the next video.